Plant FAQs, Caladium Gingerland. Caladium Gingerland, your guide to the vibrantly variegated beauty. Hi, Furbu here, and I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for the stunning Caladium Gingerland. This Caladium variety boasts captivating foliage that injects a burst of color into any space. Today, I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Caladium Gingerland and equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this tropical wonder. See more 19 species and genus Caladium at monsterholic.com. What is Caladium Gingerland? The Caladium Gingerland is a tuberous perennial, meaning it grows from underground tubers and returns year after year in warmer climates. This dwarf variety features captivating lance-shaped leaves that unfurl in a mesmerizing display of color. The base boasts a creamy white canvas, splashed with vibrant cranberry speckles and edged with a dark green margin. Imagine elegant white angel wings, adorned with crimson polka dots and outlined in emerald green. That's the captivating image the Caladium Gingerland evokes. Is Caladium Gingerland easy to care for? Absolutely. The Caladium Gingerland is a relatively low-maintenance plant, perfect for both seasoned gardeners and beginners. Here's what you need to know. Light. While some caladiums prefer deep shade, the Gingerland thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the delicate leaves. Water. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Soil. Well-draining, fertile potting mix is ideal. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for aeroids, which provide optimal drainage and aeration for the tubers. Temperature. Caladium Gingerland flourishes in warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and cold drafts. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 2 weeks. Does Caladium Gingerland flower? The Caladium Gingerland produces inconspicuous, calla-like flowers in the summer. However, the true showstopper lies in the mesmerizing foliage. Most gardeners remove the blooms to encourage more vigorous leaf growth. How big does Caladium Gingerland get? This dwarf variety typically reaches a height of 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 centimeters, with a spread of 10 to 15 inches, 25 to 38 centimeters. Its compact size makes it ideal for container gardening or adding a pop of color to borders and walkways. Can Caladium Gingerland live indoors? Yes, Caladium Gingerland thrives as a houseplant. Just provide it with the right conditions: bright, indirect light, consistent moisture, and warm temperatures. Here are some tips for indoor success. Placement. Position your Caladium Gingerland near a brightly lit east-facing window. Avoid direct sunlight, especially during the hottest part of the day. Humidity. These tropical plants appreciate moderate humidity. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity levels. Pests and diseases. Caladium Gingerland is generally pest and disease resistant. However, watch out for mealybugs and fungal gnats, which can be controlled with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Caladium Gingerland versus Caladium White Christmas. Both Caladium Gingerland and Caladium White Christmas boast stunning white foliage, but with distinct variations. Leaf shape. Caladium Gingerland features elongated, lance-shaped leaves, while White Christmas has broader, heart-shaped leaves. Coloration. Gingerland's white base is adorned with vibrant cranberry speckles, while White Christmas has a more subtle green marbling. Size. Gingerland is a dwarf variety, reaching a smaller stature compared to the larger growing White Christmas. Ultimately, the choice between these two beauties depends on your preference for leaf shape, color accents, and desired plant size. Can Caladium Gingerland survive winter? In warmer climates, USDA zones 9 to 11, Caladium Gingerland can remain outdoors year-round with proper winter protection. However, in colder zones, it's best to treat it as a tinder bulb. Here's what to do. Before the first frost, dig up the tubers after the foliage dies back in fall. Carefully remove any excess soil and allow them to air dry for a few days. Storage. Store the tubers in a cool, dark location with temperatures between 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Place them in a breathable container, such as a paper bag or mesh basket, with some lightly moistened sphagnum moss or vermiculite to prevent them from drying out completely. Check on them periodically throughout winter and lightly mist the moss or vermiculite if it feels dry to the touch. Come spring, when the danger of frost is past, you can replant the tubers in fresh potting mix and resume your regular watering and fertilizing routine. Witnessing the vibrant new growth emerge from the seemingly unassuming tubers is a truly rewarding experience. By following these simple care tips, you can cultivate a thriving Caladium gingerland that will grace your home or garden with its captivating beauty for years to come. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions about this dazzling plant.